Fundamentally, I would say whether it is a pre-sales team or a sales team, or there is a post-sales support team or a sales and support team, we have to understand that everybody is working towards a common goal fundamentally, first of all, because they all march towards the same vision. Okay, it is an integrated process. So what typically happens in any organization is, instead of working together as an integrated process, people start working as a compartment or silos. So that is where the actual challenge happens. If you ask me a question, if there is a delay, it's going to impact the sales team. Yes, definitely it's going to impact the sales team. But individual and what do we do as an organization actually plays a very critical role. As an organization, HR and the processes has a huge role to play in terms of actually meeting up this gap. Do we have an integrated KRA or a KPI set wherein the pre-sales team's KRA and the sales team's KRA and the sales and support team's KRA are all integrated? Yes, obviously you have individual departments target, but what is the way in which you can integrate this target so that everybody works together in achieving a common goal is the one way in which HR can actually play a critical role in terms of bringing all these things together. The second is, we all talk about leadership. And in my view, the best example to be an excellent salesperson is a salesperson cannot be an excellent salesperson without displaying a leadership component. A salesperson cannot be a salesperson or an excellent salesperson if he does only his job. Okay, a salesperson should take up the responsibility of the inefficiency or the gap of his entire sales chain cycle in an organization. It may be a pre-sales team, it may be a sales and support team. More often, it can happen anywhere. But what happens is you have to take up the responsibility of that. You also have to understand what is the role of the pre-sales team. What is the competency that I have to develop if the pre-sales team is actually not able to support me with the relevant information, which could be a pitch dossier or something. Am I in a position to compensate for that? Because tomorrow, it's a hand-in-hand journey for any salesperson, because sales is ultimately the breadwinner for any organization, and we cannot be blaming this department and that department at the end of the day. So I would say it's a combination of individual efforts of a sales leader and also an HR integrated process, that how actually this entire process is integrated so that the sales team and the sales process together actually reaches a vision. That's my response towards that.